That's selling receivables, otherwise known as factoring. Think of factoring like a collection agency. Right now, someone owes us money. Instead of waiting around a month to maybe more to receive this, if we need it cash now, we can sell this to someone else. That person will then collect from our customers. It's like getting a middleman. Instead of the customer paying me, I will get my money from another company and the customer will pay that company. It's called a factor. And if you Google it, there's tons of factoring companies out there. Now, the factor, the company that is going to buy the receivable from us and then collect from the customer, they will charge a fee. It's called a factoring fee. They do need to get something out of it in the end. This means that when I sell the receivable, let's say someone owed me $1,000 and they charge me a fee, I'm not going to get the full $1,000. I might get $990. Maybe they charge $10 for this. Now, that company, the factor, will try to get the full $1,000 from the client. I'm only getting $990. However, it is beneficial because now I'm getting my money now instead of waiting around for it. The fee is a negative, but I get my money quicker. It really depends on the company if this is beneficial or not, if they should do this. This is not a classwork problem, but I did want to show you an example for this. A company sells $10,000 of receivables to a factor who charges 2%. The way I journalize this is I put the full amount of accounts receivable at the bottom because my accounts receivable is going down by 10,000. I'm getting rid of the whole thing. No one owes me money anymore. There is a fee at 2% of $10,000 is $200. How much cash am I actually receiving then? It would be the 10,000 minus the $200 fee. I'll be receiving $9,800. I am selling someone $10,000 worth of receivables. They are paying me $9,800 cash for it. Like I said, that factoring company will then try to collect from my customers. Hopefully, they get the full $10,000, but it might take some time for that to happen. At least I get $9,800 today. This is the end of the Chapter 9 PowerPoint. I know it kind of got a little confusing, and I really did try to explain everything. But we really didn't understand all the little details. That's okay, it happens. But at least try to understand how you do the journal entries, because that's the part that you'll really need to know. I just like to explain everything, the reasoning behind it. That doesn't mean you have to understand that as well. I don't want to confuse you more, but practice this a little bit, do the classwork more than once. Make sure to actually read the chapter because the book does go into a lot of detail with this. Once again, you can always reach out to the pals if you need help with this, or send me a message. I hope you all have a great week. Please continue staying safe and healthy.